Hey guys, good morning. I just woke up. I look messy. I look crazy. But welcome to my life. We don't have nothing to do today for reasons that I might shall say. Wait, what? What? One more though?
Go make me pizza.
Want me to make you a pizza?
In a game.
In the game? You're making a pizza in the game. Okay, he's making a pizza in the game. I'm gonna clean my room today. I'm gonna take it with me. My room literally looks disgusting. I wish I would have been able to clean it sooner, but I was working a lot, and then I also so tired. Like I was home, work, home, sleep. Like sometimes, just my depression just doesn't let me. So it's a little hard. But now today I feel like I'm motivated and I'm gonna do it. So let's get to it, okay? Now I know I didn't toast the bagels, but that's how my son eats it, okay? Because when I toast them, I notice he doesn't really like them. Come eat, Papa. Because he cannot eat in the room. That's no, like... The few times I've trusted him to eat in the... Why is the slime on the table like that? What is this, Papa?
Dime Dad.
How are you gonna get it out of there?
My hands.
With your hands. Well, that's true. That's a good answer. That's true.
Can we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Lately you've been trying to buy time for me, but your watch broke. Now your shot clock counting down. Headed to the middle, not your MO. Baby, push the tempo. Don't know how much longer till I hit the ground running. Are you stopping me? You gotta go like Monopoly. I'm tryna make you my property. Better yet, buy me some property. 'Cause we've been doing this forever. Guess it's never, never. 'Cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. Don't wanna take it. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more.
Like the way she smiles, she got me staring for a while, got me staring for a while. Yeah, yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no. But maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, you caught my eye. Whatever, should I cross that line? I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Mixed signals, can't understand what she's been saying, but my mind's fickle, don't know what game I've been playing. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever.
Tastes like honey, call me hurricane. Waking up to the sun when I'm out again. I didn't let it shake me when the pieces fell out of place. Unlock the giants, I'm too young for dying. I fight with defiance, hard to fit in when I'm flying, flying. Fit in when I'm flying, flying. Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind. I'm drenched in sunshine and good times, changing the station with an open mind. I don't wanna sound selfish, but I'm not coming back. The highs of your touch like vertigo. It's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space, in space. Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind. Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind.
I just finished cleaning my room. It's been hours. Like, I started at like 9 and it's like 2 p.m. But I take a long time. So, I take a long time. I'm gonna show you guys, like. So, look how clean it looks. There's no clothes. All the clothes is gone. There's nothing on the floor. The floor is super clean. There's just like, it's nice and clean. I'm so happy. The bed is irrelevant. Like, I'm gonna sleep there today anyway, so this is my bookshelf. I have a lister in there. I don't know where he is, but his name is Sage, and he's adorable. And then I have my little table, and I have my cute little plant. Hey, Mateo. Can you put it in the window? Hi, that is.
Choose my mom. Choose her.
Did you just shot over here?
Oh, that was my tail.
Just shot it.
That was my tail.
He just.
That was my tail.
Okay. I hope you guys have fun cleaning with me. I know my room was a fucking mess, but yeah, there's no but. Like, it never really gets that bad. It's just a lot of stuff was happening this month, but I'm glad I got to finally clean it. I've been wanting to clean it. Like, I literally cannot think when my room is messy like that. Now I feel so much better. Hope you have a wonderful day or night or afternoon, and see you in my next video. Bye.